Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need to prepare before cutting the cord. First, make sure the watch runs the latest watchOS and has at least 50% charge. This prevents interruptions. Next, verify you have an Apple ID and Wi-Fi details or an active cellular plan. Family setup or cellular models let you use the watch independently. Once ready, power on the watch, choose language and region, and follow on screen prompts to connect it to known Wi-Fi or to set up family/cellular service. Once the watch is online, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud services so messages, mail, and health data sync. This is how the watch acts independently. Make sure location and Siri are enabled for mapping and voice commands. Next, install apps directly from the App Store and download music, podcasts, or audiobooks for offline use so you don't need an iPhone nearby. Also set up Apple Pay and pair Bluetooth headphones. This lets you make calls, listen, and pay without a phone. Now verify everything works. Place a call, send a message, and stream or play downloaded media while on Wi-Fi or cellular. Make sure notifications arrive and that Find My and Emergency SOS are active. These features keep you safe without a phone. If something breaks, try a simple restart first, then toggle Wi-Fi and cellular in settings and repair any Bluetooth devices. If problems persist, reset network settings or remove and re-add the cellular plan. This usually resolves stubborn connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.